Friends, Vande Mataram. So today I'm going to give you predictions, the stock market predictions for June 2024. And my apology for not giving you prediction yesterday because I was in travel. And also if we see the market today, then the Nifty which we have today is 23,263, and there was a major hike in the stock market around 3.25%. Now let's see what I have predicted and what was the actual outcome. There was a little difference in this month. So the actual outcome on 31st of May 2024 of Nifty was 22,530 points, and I had given the prediction. I had mentioned that Nifty would get closer nearby 23,069 point. So I can see there are a few questions by many people, and after giving you the data of this month, I'm going to answer all your questions. And the people who are comfortable in Hindi, so for them there will be another video by 5:30 p.m. So 3rd of June, it was obvious that the today market is going to be high, and everyone was aware with that because tomorrow is election results, and everyone is aware that what's going to happen exactly. And if you remember, I had given the prediction around 3 months ago, along with the seats, that how many seats NDA is going to take. So here the question for the NDA was that with how much margin they are winning, rather than the winning conditions. So there are emotions are also going to be involved with this market, and if we see the conditions of 4th of June according to Mundane Astrology, and according to the market, according to the Bharatiya market, then the day is very positive. Yeah, so before I give you the data for stock market, let me give one declaration that I am not SEBI certified. So whatever the prediction I'm giving to you people, it's depend on mundane astrology, and you, like all the profit and gains, so you people will be responsible for all profit and gains. So that's your own responsibility. So it's just sheerly mundane astrology data depending on my own research. So on 4th of June, I can see the market would be very high, and here I can see little down in the market during morning hours, but from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. I can see a very hike in the, like bigger hike in the market, and like as everyone is aware with the election results of tomorrow, so there is a probability also that there might be the condition of upper circuit also. But astrologically, I won't say that, but as per the market condition, we can consider that there might be such kind of position for 4th of June. So market will be very high on this date. And if we talk about 5th of June, then 60 point high. 5th of June, yeah. 6th of June, 150 point up, and on 6th of June, Bank Nifty is like seems to be very positive, very high on this date. So you can plan your profit from today itself for the Bank Nifty, and there are another dates also which I am going to tell you around 26th of June. So on 7th of June, I can see the market is going down. 10 and 8th and 9th of June, it's a holiday, Saturday and Sunday. 10th of June, so market will be high till 11:45 morning AM, and after then it's going to be down, and after then it's going to be down in such a way that it's going to take the lower level as compared to 7th of June. by after 3:30. 11th of June, 70-point high. 12th of June, information technology, because of the Mercury positioning and the nakshatra changing. So I can see information technology is going to be very, very high, of like the shares of this market. And if we talk about the complete Nifty, then 60-point higher side I can see. 13th of June, 80-point down. About 12th June, I forgot to mention, along with information technology, banking sector will also be going very high on this date. 14th of June, down in the morning, but after 12:45 p.m., Nifty will be going upper side. 15th and 16th, it's holiday because of Saturday and Sunday. 17th of June, 80-point down. On 18th of June, again down. 19th of June, 70-point up. 20th of June, 40-point up. 21st of June, around 100-point up, higher side, where I can see a Nifty label around 23,800. And 22nd and 23rd of June, again it's Saturday and Sunday holiday. 24th of June, 40-point down. 25th of June, again down. I am not mentioning any figure here. 26th of June, I can see market going very positive on this date. On the upper side, especially Bank Nifty, which I mentioned earlier also, that if you want to plan to gain, like have a good gain from the market, then you can plan accordingly today itself. 27th of June, market would be going higher side, upper side. Here again, I'm not giving any figure. 28th of June, down. And here I have a tips for you people. Since I'm not giving any data for July today, that I will be giving by end of this month, maybe by 29th of June, I'm going to give you two videos and another videos, Hindi, English both. So here I have a tips for you people that I can see that in July, crude oil and petroleum companies would be making a better profit. Also, there is a possibility of hikes around 10 to 15% of the shares of the IT companies. Sorry, petroleum and crude oil companies. So you can plan your scripts accordingly, you're buying accordingly, so there is going to be a bigger profit. So if you want to buy, or either you can do one thing, you can start buying by end of June, petroleum shares. So month end, I know that you people want to know the total figure where the Nifty would stand. So here the calculation which I have made by considering mundane astrology is 24,146. Now let me see your questions, and after then we can proceed for Hindi video. Prakash Chand ji has asked question, last month 80% gold ka production sahi tha, gold prediction. Thanks Prakash ji. Oh, Prakash, this month, yeah, MCX data is ready with me, but like you know, the time constraint, so I couldn't make it. And if you people are really interested for MCX prediction, then I can provide you another video. Also, yeah, let me plan it, because it was not there in my mind that I should also provide MCX prediction for this month also. So let me try my best, and if I could make it today, I'll provide you the data by tomorrow. Dhruv Arora, Dhrupji, it won't be possible for me to provide Nifty numbers every week. And in fact, I understand if I would start providing you every weekly data, I understand, there will be a lot of accuracy, maybe around 98% accuracy would be there. Because I have been mentioning in all my video that I am a businessman and, like I'm busy with my another jobs also. So, in fact, I mentioned in the starting of the video that I was in holidays with my family, so that's why I couldn't make video yesterday. Yeah, Dhruv, thanks for mentioning this. In fact, I had mentioned that 23 would be touching. So 23, like Nifty touched around 23, and again it went back to 22,530. Because there was a lot of correction was going on because of the elections emotions also. So thanks that you have mentioned that the prediction was accurate. Gopal Ghoshi had a question. Can I provide the sector-wise prediction of chemical, IT, FMCG, railway, banking, defense? Gopal, let me tell you, about chemical, you can keep on buying whatever the companies you have made selection. IT, I have mentioned few dates of this month. FMCG, I'm not able to figure out. Railways, please go ahead because railways shares would make a lot of profit. The people have bought railway shares by end of this June itself. Banking, I have already mentioned. Defense, no doubtly, you should go with the defense shares. In fact, all the defense shares has made a huge profit during these days. Next question, Rakesh. Kanchan Krishnan. Kanchan, I would advise you rather that if you have not yet invested properly, better to buy tomorrow morning as, or maybe you can use AMO option, putting your own amount because tomorrow market will boom after 12 p.m. After election, you won't be able to make investment on the higher side because like there are a lot of emotion involved. So that's a suggestion. Ananya has mentioned about Matar technology. I cannot say anything on this. I had no idea, in fact, about this company. And Lutz Alerts official about ask about geofinance. I think I have already mentioned last month that even I have a lot of scripts of this stocks. Nilesh Thakur has also mentioned that I had predicted 23,000, which was the target was achieved 3 days ago from 31st of May. So the prediction was accurate. Thank you, Nilesh. One username is Business Trade. Thanks for my praise. You are making my day with these kind of beautiful words for me. Ashish Agarwal ji has mentioned about one script. Ashish, in fact, I have around 10 lakh stocks of this company, but it's going down. I can understand, but I'm also hoping for the best. In fact, I bought it around 2 months ago on the very lower price. Amukar has asked a question that when can we expect a correction? Astrologically, correction should be there around in 6th to 7th of June. but there is a tie between the planets. So again, I'm working on this, but I have not given the prediction considering that data basically, because I'm not confident. In fact, I have been mentioning you people that giving prediction on stock market is little difficult. Still, I'm working on this. So if I found anything after the election, maybe on 5th June, 6th June, if I would see any negativity, I would immediately provide predictions on the same, so that you all could be very, very careful. Yeah, Kanchanji, yes, I have mentioned that you can start buying stocks from oil companies so that you could make a good profit. Suman Goyalji have asked question about peanuts rate. So those are the commodities questions. So here I'm not giving any commodity data. But yes, I might start giving such kind of data soon as MCX predictions are going better. So let's go one by one instead of giving all kind of data immediately. Jignesh, let me see if I can provide this data again for the MCX. Mure Mishra ji, in fact, I have mentioned in my last video that in fact I also have these scripts. So I think that today it was price must be around 50 rupees. Let me check. Yeah, it was 50 rupees today. So that's a good news. In fact, I bought it in 7 rupees. Yeah, Ritesh Kapilji, this share which you have mentioned is very good script. In fact, the pricing is today around 5,000. It's not a bad pricing. Please go ahead. Ritesh, in fact, I also have this script, not much, around 20 scripts because it's very, very costly. Recently, I bought these shares because the script is very, very costly. So, but I prefer to buy a little. Rakesh Pandey, I'll mention if something would happen, like if I could see astrologically, then definitely I'm going to give such kind of prediction. If I would see such kind of fear in the market. Anita Gehani ji, I have already mentioned in my last video also, last minute video. The scripts you are mentioning, please go ahead with this. You don't need to get fear. Yashpal Dhadwal ji has said that if BJP, maybe some astrologer has mentioned that BJP might lose, which I have not given such kind of prediction. According to me, NDA is coming. I think I have also mentioned around 368 seats. I'm not remember because the video was given 3 months ago. Yeah, exactly, Yashpal. If this current government uh, doesn't come again, then definitely there will be two lower circuits immediately. So there is no doubt in that. But yes, astrologically, I cannot see such kind of the data you are mentioning. Yeah, Ashishji, the share is very, very good. In fact, I am also carrying such kind of scripts, and Kaustav Ray has mentioned about yeah. So these all are very good scripts, and these scripts are also giving very good dividends. Mure Mishra has mentioned how much it will rise in future. I don't know which script you're talking about. Vaibhav, this script is nice. Don't worry. I think some correction is going again and again with this script. Leena ji, Diwali is too far. Very far it is. So we'll decide there and there. So friends, let me close this video for today. And after 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to start one more video of the same data in Hindi for the Hindi users. So give me permission for today. Jai Hind.